To begin your assignment, you need to click on Make a Copy of the Document. You will click on the link and that will bring you to make a copy of the document. So you're going to click on the button. You're going to wait until it makes you a copy of the document. Once you are in the document, you're going to go through the different slides and complete your assignment. This is where you're going to be writing your name. Okay. And there are instructions in each slide that you're going to follow. Like here, you're going to click on each link so that you can learn a little bit more about the habitats. Here, you're able to move the pictures around so that you can complete the chart. And here, you're going to be doing a research on an animal of your choosing. You're going to click on the link to choose the animal that you want, and then you're just going to fill in the information. There's a little mini project where you're going to create an animal of your choice, just like the one here where I made a giraffe, seal. I used different parts of an animal to create a new animal. And then you can just take a picture and drag it into the cell phone. And here are two extra extensions that are optional. When you're done doing all your work, you're going to go and click on the share button. And you're going to make sure that you type in D.A. Martinez at aldinisd.org. And then click done, and it should send the work to me. And that's how you do your work. Hope you enjoy doing your work.